Hi there, this is Mrs. Cariotti, and I wanted to go over a different resource that I had shared with you called Decodable Sentences. Now, these decodable sentences, they're sentences that we can read really quickly, and they help build our reading fluency. So when I say decodable sentences, what that means is in these sentences, like the ones that you see on your screen that I'm sharing with you, there's going to be sight words that you can automatically recognize, and you've been practicing those in your classrooms. And also words that you can decode. Remember, when we decode, we break our words down into the sounds and then blend them all together and we say the word. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use two different colored highlighters on my screen. The first one, I'm going to use yellow. When I highlight a word in yellow, that's a sight word. A sight word is a word that you should be able to identify right away. So watch this. I'm going to highlight this word here. What does that word say? That says I. I. That's one of our sight words. Here's another sight word. I see. This next word is see. And moving right along, this next word is another sight word. What do you think that sight word says? That says the. So far in our sentence, we have I see the. Now this next word, this is a decodable word. This is a word that we can break down into the sounds. So I'm going to make this word purple. Now that word says at. At. What does that word say? If you said cat, you're absolutely correct. And you can use this picture as a clue. So, what I'm going to do is I am going to underline each of our words as we read the sentence together. Remember, I want you to read with me, okay? I see the cat. Let's do that one more time. Are you ready? I see the cat. Excellent job. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to erase those lines, and we're going to move right along to the second sentence that you can see on my screen. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my highlighter again, and I'm going to use yellow first. The reason I'm going to use yellow first is because this first word in our sentence is a sight word. What does my say? My says my. So that first word in our sentence is my. Now I'm going to change my color because guess what? This next word in our sentence is a decodable word. This is a word that we can break down into the sounds. So looking at the letters in this word, we have p, n, p, n. Blend those sounds together. What do you think this word says? P, n, pen. So far we have my pen. I'm going to switch my colors again because guess what? We have another sight word. Is. That next word says is. My pen is. And I'm going to change my colors one more time because this is also a decodable word. Ed. Ed. What does that word say? Maybe use the picture as a clue. Ed. Red. All right. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to erase all of my markings. And what we're going to do now is we are going to read the sentence together. Are you ready? Here we go. My pen is red. Let's do that one more time together. Ready? Let's begin. My pen is red. Excellent job. So, what I'm going to do is I want you to read with your mom or your dad or your brother or sister or grandma, grandpa, whoever you're working with. I want you to read the rest of the sentences on this document that I shared with you called Decodable Sentences Part 1. Take a video of yourself and send it to me on Google Classroom or Class Dojo. I would love to see you reading these sentences. See you again soon.